Hello everyone, let's talk about the new feature flags settings page coming to Windows 11. So yes, you will actually be able to test experimental features on preview builds of Windows 11. Installing updates and not being able to try out new features and having to use workarounds had been one of the most frustrating aspects of reporting on preview builds of Windows 11, but now that's changing. On Windows 11 build 26300.8155, a new features flags page has been spotted inside of the Windows Insider Programs settings section, as you can see right here. Once you click on that page, you will go to another section where you'll be able to enable and disable experimental features without the need of third-party tools such as the ViveTool. The new feature flags page signals a shift on how Microsoft exposes experimental features, and it brings transparency and control into the operating system itself. This also suggests that the company is making feature rollouts more structured, relying less on hidden toggles and staged releases like control feature rollouts. If you noticed, the ability to enable experimental features on Windows 11 will be similar to how users enable experimental features in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome using the experimental flags page. Ironically, the feature is currently hidden in build 26300.8155 and it isn't enabled by default. It isn't clear when Microsoft is going to add the new feature flags page to the settings app on Windows 11. However, the company has said that it will share more details in the coming days. So what are your thoughts about the ability to actually test new features and improvements on Windows 11 using the feature flags page? Let me know in the comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.